Hey y'all, what's poppin'? What's going on? It's been a while since I made a video. I am Sudi, anyways, and as you guys can see by the title, what is going down today? We are making chicken Alfredo, chicken and shrimp Alfredo, fettuccine pasta. So, as you guys can see, I have my heavy whipping cream, which I'll be using for the sauce, I have my fettuccine, my garlic bread, my chicken right here, and my shrimp, which is already prepped and seasoned and ready to go. I have some minced garlic, also have some regular garlic, some parsley leaf, and some fresh Parmigiano, Italian Parmigiano cheese that I will be grating, and some organic olive oil, guys. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so my water is already boiling and I went ahead and add my noodles, my fettuccine noodles to the water. They've been in there for about 4 minutes now, so I'm gonna cook them for 5 more minutes because you don't want to overcook your noodles because you're gonna add it to the sauce and cook it also. And also what I add to cook my noodles, I just add some olive oil, some salt, and that's it, so that our noodles don't stick together. That's the reason why I use the olive oil. Okay, so I think our pot for the chicken is ready. I'm gonna add the butter to it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and check our chicken breast. Start up. Smells so good, guys. And all I seasoned my chicken breast with was some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, and some adobo all-purpose seasoning. That's all to it. That's what I'm gonna cut my shrimp in. And guys, this is what I grated my fresh Parmesan cheese, and this is what it looks like. So, yep, and my parsley and everything's already been chopped. Just a little bit, just to cook the shrimp, so it can have a little bit of flavor to it, guys. It's optional. Everyone cooks different. And shrimp only take like 8 minutes to cook, once they turn pink. It'll be good. You want to overcook them also because you're gonna add it to the sauce. You don't want it to taste too rubbery. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making my sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil to the pot. Chop garlic, that's where all the flavor at. And we're gonna add our heavy whipping cream to it. It's gonna be a regular Alfredo pasta, guys. Ain't nothing. I don't want to do the Cajun today because I'm not feeling the whole Cajun thing right now. We have our sauce with our garlic. So I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper to it. Add a little pepper. A bit of salt, not too much. Because we're gonna add the cheese. I don't know how salty that is, but you guys could taste as you go. Make sure it has enough seasoning in it. Chop parsley to it. On cheese, which I'm going to go ahead and add for the sauce. And I save this a little bit so we could add it to the top. guys. So what I add to this sauce, I add some chopped garlic, some olive oil, my parsley, fresh parsley guys, and my fresh Parmesan cheese, and this heavy whipping cream. Okay, it smells amazing, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it just to make sure I don't need anything else. Okay, so we need some salt. A bit more pepper. And add some Italian seasoning to it. Well, there you guys have it, my chicken and shrimp Alfredo pasta with my garlic bread on the side. And if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please go ahead and hit the little bell below. Subscribe. And I thank you guys for watching. And until next time, goodbye.